Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2014 Dodge Journey in silver with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. It has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and it's a front wheel drive. It also has keyless entry as well. It's only had one owner. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls as well as your cruise control. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu that will come up, your odometer reading and the temperature outside, so you can go through the different options and toggle through them for the fuel economy, vehicle speed, trip info, tire KPA, and vehicle info, background messages, and then you can turn off your menu or turn it back on. In the center you have your air vents up top, and then you have your radio, AM, FM, as well. You have your climate controls, settings, and more. There's a little cubby. You have your hazard lights, AC, front and rear defrost, and traction control. And then down below you have dual climate control for driver and passenger, and your volume and tuner, and that's your fan in the center. There's your CD player. There's a little bin down there, a couple of cup holders, automatic shifter, and your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a little bin. You can take that out. You've got your auxiliary line in there, as well as a 12 volt and more storage. And then off to the side is your glove compartment, a manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap. In the back you've got a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and then when you're ready to open up that back hatch, you can just put your hand underneath. There's a latch off to the right hand side here under the E, opens it up easily. Inside is lots of room, and you have this bin underneath that you can open up simply by putting your hand in, or even using just the tab here, and you can put lots of items underneath there. There's some tabs to be able to tether things and hooks. You also have a 12 volt. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. You can then close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you can see the levers at the base here to bring the seat forward and back, and this brings the back of the seat down, and then you have more room in the back cargo area. Then you just simply push the seat back up into the upright position, and then when you want to bring down the center for your armrest and couple of cup holders, you just pull the tab. There's little bins in the floor to put items in, and in the center you have a 12 volt. Up above there's hooks and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.